So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an FAQ page in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Shopify admin panel, which will look something like this. From here you can see marketing, markets, online store, apps, as well as settings underneath. So let's go to the online store since this is where you can create new pages. On here you can see themes, pages, and preferences, and click on preferences, or rather pages on here. Once you click on pages, you can see some pages are here, like contact and stuff like that. You can click on create view. You can search and filter and stuff like that. You can see this black button as well that says add page. Let's do that. By clicking the add page, you can go ahead and put in a title. You can even see that FAQ is one of the titles. So let's just type in frequently asked questions. So you can see here search engine listing, and on content you can just go ahead and put in formatting like this. You can even generate text by talking to their chatbot. You can see the alignment. It's very much similar to Microsoft Word, and you can go ahead and see some of the numbered lists. So this will be quite helpful for giving the first question. So how to log in or something like that, and then you just type out the answer underneath. And for the other question, you just click the entered and you can just put in different frequently asked questions. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.